The system can send readings to your medical care provider through a cellular signal, landline telephone, or through Wi-Fi. Typically, you will use the pre-installed cellular adapter. If you do not have cellular coverage in your area, you can use Wi-Fi or landline telephone connectivity. If you would like to send readings through a home Wi-Fi network, the included Wi-Fi USB adapter can be installed in an open USB port located on the rear panel of the electronics system. Prior to setting up the Wi-Fi connection on the electronics system, locate and write down your Wi-Fi network name and password. If you cannot find it, call your internet service provider for assistance. While the electronics system is powered off, insert the Wi-Fi adapter into either USB port on the rear of the unit. Turn on your electronics system and follow the on-screen configuration prompts to connect to your home network. You will also receive a thin gray telephone cable that can be used if you transmit your readings using your home telephone line. The pre-installed cellular adapter must be disconnected before using the landline telephone connection. To do this, lift up the pillow from the headrest to reveal the USB chamber. Disconnect the cellular adapter from the USB port. Leave the cellular adapter with the cable in the chamber. Return the pillow to its original position. Connect one end of the telephone cord into the wall and the other end into the back of the system. The provided telephone line splitter may be used if the telephone jack is already in use.